So here's a quick one, a mobile repair, and I get these a lot. Typically, if the vehicle, it just needs something like this, nothing that's major, I'll just go ahead and try to fix it on the scene. In this case, we'll have to wait for parts. So the customer complaint is that the window got stuck down. As you can see, I already went ahead and rolled it up. Took a look at the window switch, and well, pushes down nice and clicky, but up not so much. So to get the customer by until we're able to order that, it'll probably take 3 days to come in, we'll have to roll up the window. So first thing I had to do is go ahead and remove this door panel, which as you can see right over here is real simple. This gets pried right up. Use a pry tool. Clip right over here with a 7mm. Pop this out. There's a cover over here. Pop it from the back so you don't scratch it with a flathead screwdriver. There's a Phillips and a 10. This comes right out. And then it has these snaps, which are right over here. Use a pry tool, pop it out. It's gonna sound and feel like it's gonna break, but you know, it won't. Once you do that, push this thing down, it slides right up and you get to it. There's a connector, just depending on the modules that you have, just unplug this connector, make sure that's unplugged, and then this whole unit just kind of slides out. Real easy, fairly simple. But for today, we wanted to first make sure, yes, it's obviously the switch is broken, but if I'm going to quote them for a repair, I want to make sure that we quote the right part, or you end up having to eat your misdiagnosis. So in this case, the motor is right down here. Really simple. Now in this case, it has 5 wires, and the ones that you want are right over here. The orange and green and the orange and white. I'm kind of sneaking right over there. I don't know if I can get on camera, but it's going to be on the side closest towards me, just like so. Take your jumper leech just like so, preferably one with insulation. Jump the top and the bottom, orange and green, orange and white. And then I just went ahead and used my jump pack, powered it on. You hold this button to bypass it, and then as you touch it, and you don't need the power on in the vehicle to do this, it rolls the window up and it rolls it down. Obviously, if it doesn't go the direction that you need, all you need to do is just switch the polarity. So you have your positive and your negative. I forget which one it is over here. So 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, window won't roll up, roll down. Just bypass it so you can roll the window up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything back together, leave this unplugged. That way she can at least get around. And then when it comes in, we'll install it. So quick tip. Hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.